Hello everybody and welcome back to Sanity Daily in partnership with Breslau.org. Today is a very exciting day because today we are beginning our lessons in Eretz Yisroel. One of the most dearest topics to me and to so many others, the Holy Land of Eretz Yisroel, our land. Okay, now, first of all, we have to remember one thing. The Baal Shem Tov taught us a very, very important rule, that a person is truly where his thoughts are. What does that mean? It means like this. A person can be standing at the Kaisel Maravi, the holiest site for us, and he can be thinking about being, I'll use an example, at a Yankee game. I don't know, just using something silly. Wow. So where is he? Yeah, he's standing at the Kaisel Maravi, but his mind is all the way back there in New York, in the Bronx, in some stadium. So where is he? According to the Baal Shem Tov, he's in New York. He's not there. And why am I mentioning that? Because so many of us would love to be right now in Eretz Yisroel. I can speak for myself and my family. All right? And we can't get there. It's not the Ratzon Hashem that we go there at the moment. So what are we going to do? We're going to learn a little about Eretz Yisroel. Iker Emunah, says the Rebbe, in Aleph, Bechinas Tefillah. The main Emunah is Tefillah. Like we spoke about so much in Emes Emunah, right? That why would a person daven? Because he has Emunah that the Rebbeinu Shalom is waiting and listening to every word that he has to say. Bechinas Nisim, miracles, Bechinas Nisim. We don't realize that. You know, we say in our davening every day, Al Nisecha v'Al Nefesecha Tevesecha. Right? We mention these words, Nisecha, miracles. We don't realize what our tefillahs can be pile. We don't realize what they can act, what we can cause with our tefillah. A person can be davening for a sick person. Yeah? So the Gezar din in Shemayim is the person sick. Comes along another Yid and is mispalel for this Yid. And what does he cause? He causes him to get a refuah. It's a nice. Nisim. Tefillah. Emunah. Nisim. Ve'enai, he says, the Rebbe says, Einai ela be'eretz Yisroel. Wow. Einai ela Eretz Yisroel. It's only in the land of Israel. We're going to speak about that, what that means. V'sham ikar aliyas atfilas. Because in Eretz Yisroel, we know is the main place of aliyas atfilas, right? We know the Kodesh HaKadoshim, we know the Maras HaMachpelah, we know these holy places in Eretz Yisroel that the tefillas are rising up to the Kisei HaKavod via Eretz Yisroel. And we always daven. When we daven, and we face, in America we do, we face east because we're facing towards the Kaisel Maravi, right? The Western Wall, right? Because we want our tefillas are always towards Eretz Yisroel. You can accomplish what you need in your tefillah, with your tefillah, with your davening. Like we were learning the other day in Achila. What do we really need? It's what we truly need. And we were learning in Achnosas Orchim. What do we truly need? The tzaddik shows us what we truly need, right? We don't daven for things that are external things that we think we need, but we don't need. Things that we need. A person needs parnasa to provide food for his family. He needs that. He really needs that. A person needs money to pay the tuition for the schools. He needs that. He has to pay the mortgage. He needs that. These are worthy things to daven for. Right? You can cause tremendous miracles and wonders, true wonders in the world with one's davening. So let's not take it for granted. We have the opportunity, we have the privilege to be able to daven. It's a privilege. The Baruch Shem gives us a privilege to say, Baruch Ato Hashem. We call Hashem by His name. It's a privilege we have. If we would only think it through, what a privilege we have to daven. And you employ the emunah for that, of course. By doing that, you'll be able to, Mitzvah Hashem, to be poil with your tefillah, what you need, and to get everything that everyone needs in Mitzvah Hashem with the kedusha of their emunah, Eretz Yisroel, which is Nisan. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day. And I want to also remind you that you can sign up for the classes with Atera Shimon on their website or on this email, all right? Or you can go to breslov.org and you can sign and you can see all the wonderful classes from the teachers on breslov.org. Thank you, everyone. Kol Tuv.